Hello, rocks are very common in pixel art and you will have to draw millions of them in your pixel art career, so let me show you an easy and quick way how to draw one. At first I drew a silhouette of the rock. For that I used a bigger brush size to speed up the process. Then I added face of my rock using light gray because this part gets the most amount of light. And after we have our face done, it's time to add a shade using darker color since that part of our rock has almost no light at all. The next step will be to add highlights on the edge of the rock face, and finally you can draw an outline using much darker color. Add some grass so the rock won't look like it's floating in the air and make it attached to the ground. And finally, add some polishing touches to your rock, such as few additional shades to make them less contrasting and get rid of sharp edges. You can add a crack on your rock to make it more unique and outstanding from other rocks you make. You can see that I made a crack really dark on the top, but I changed my mind and it looks much better now. Well done! You just learned how to make pixel art rock. I made few more rocks to show you that every rock you will make will rock. Now go and watch how to make pixel art backgrounds. Thanks for watching, Kenmi, out.